Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change visibility on Instagram. Especially when it comes to social media, whether you want to keep your profile private, manage who sees your post or hide your activity. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change your visibility settings on Instagram. So let's get started. First up, open Instagram on a mobile device. And from here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right. Then here you will see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in private. Here you will see an option called account privacy and turn on the private account from right here. You can tap on switch to private. Then you can go ahead and tap on private. From here, you can make your profile private and can control who can see your Instagram stories, posts and reels. Now you guys know how to control the visibility in your Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.